Welcome, fellow Earthlings, to a chilling exploration into the hypothetical scenario of a giant asteroid on a collision course with our planet. Today, we dare to ponder the unthinkable. What if a cosmic behemoth were to smash into Earth? Subscribe us as we delve into the catastrophic consequences and the urgent measures humanity must take to confront this existential threat. Imagine a celestial object, several kilometers in diameter, hurtling through the void of space on a collision course with Earth. As it approaches our planet, the sheer force of its impact would unleash devastation on an unimaginable scale. The initial collision would trigger a cataclysmic event, unleashing shockwaves and sending debris hurtling into the atmosphere. In the aftermath of the impact, chaos reigns supreme. The force of the collision would unleash shockwaves capable of leveling cities and triggering massive tsunamis. The resulting firestorms would engulf vast swathes of land, while the dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere would block out the sun, plunging the planet into a prolonged period of darkness and cooling, a phenomenon known as a nuclear winter. In the face of such a catastrophic event, humanity must act swiftly and decisively. Scientists and experts are tirelessly working on strategies to mitigate the impact of an asteroid strike, ranging from early detection systems to planetary defense initiatives. But the clock is ticking, and the stakes could not be higher. The survival of our species hangs in the balance. Despite the grim outlook, there is hope amidst the ruins. Humanity has proven time and again its resilience in the face of adversity. By coming together as a global community, we can harness our collective ingenuity and resources to confront this existential threat. Through innovation, cooperation, and unwavering determination, we can safeguard our planet and secure a brighter future for generations to come. As we conclude our journey into the realm of cosmic catastrophe, let us not succumb to fear, but rather let it galvanize us into action. The threat of an asteroid impact may be daunting, but it is not insurmountable. By staying informed, advocating for planetary defense measures, and fostering a spirit of cooperation, we can ensure that our planet remains a safe and hospitable home for all life. Together, let us embrace the challenge and embark on a journey to safeguard the future of humanity. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Shine Tiz for more.